Do you think I believe in everything?
Hey family, welcome or welcome back. If you're new to my channel, my name is Patrice. Today we're gonna do this head wrap tutorial as well as this natural makeup look. Excuse my voice, I am sick. I have a cold, you know, so it kind of sounds like a little deep or raspy, but excuse that, okay? And for the month of December, I'll be uploading every single day, so definitely turn your notifications on so you get notified every time I upload, because it will be every day. This is for my girls that are in a time crunch, like you have to go, like you don't have a lot of time. This look takes about 10 minutes to do, and the head wrap takes about like a minute. You can still see my imperfections underneath my foundation because I did not add a lot of foundation. You can still see a little bit of my dark spots and stuff, which is totally fine because you don't want it to look too full coverage, and you're not going for a full coverage look, you're going for a more so natural look. So this is the look that I like to go for. So let's get into this tutorial and get started. Here I have my locks. I'm going to just turn my locks a little bit and place it on top of my head like this. Okay, then I'm gonna have my head wrap, and I'm going to put it like this, move that around a little bit, fix, adjust, and I'm going to tie my head wrap like this, and you just fix it. And then what I like to do is twirl it, and I will wrap it around. Twirl it, twirl it. I will wrap it around and just tuck it under, and it's in place. Same thing for this one. I'll just wrap it and tuck it under. Super quick, super easy. That took literally like 1 minute to do. I went ahead and did my brows real quick. Unfortunately, I don't know what happened to the footage because I did record it, and now it's telling me that the file has corrupted. So I'm sorry. I'll definitely do a brow tutorial if you're interested. So I just, you know, slapped on some brows. You know, it wasn't the best. It's not the best, but we're gonna get into it because we're in a hurry. So for foundation, I'm using the Fenty Beauty in 430. My favorite foundation. It's lightweight. I just love it. Perfect for every day. So now that I applied my foundation, I'm going to be using my concealer. I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn. I'm just going to apply a little bit of concealer. I'm going to use my damp sponge and just blend it out. Now I'm going to set my concealer in place using Sacha Buttercup, and I'm just going to use a little bit. You don't need a lot. I don't like to use a lot of powder because I don't find it necessary just to set my makeup. So I use a little bit, and then I blend it all in, and it kind of just melts in. Now I'm going to set the rest of my face using my Mercier powder. This is the translucent powder in medium deep. Now I'm going to be using my Becca Maui Nights Sunlit bronzer, and I'm just going to bronze up my face. So for highlight, I'm using Milani Strobelight highlighter, and it's broken in pieces, so I can't really show you what it looks like, but I'll leave all the information down below. Now I'm just going to add some mascara to my eyes. No lashes today because when I'm in a rush, I don't have time for all that. I'm going to apply some eyeliner underneath. I'm using the NYX Eye Pencil in black. So for the lips, I'm using the NYX long pencil in Espresso. I'm just going to line my lips with it. Then I'm going to be adding my Pure Cosmetics. This is a 4-in-1 lip topper. This is in the shade Duchess, and I'm going to just apply it on top. Now I'm going to be using my Master Fix by Maybelline, and I'm going to just set my makeup in place. I'll leave all the products and everything that I use in this video in my description bar, so definitely check that out. Also, make sure your notifications are on if you did not turn them on yet. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'll be uploading every single day, as I said. So if you made it through, that means you've seen what I said. Now, you know, get to it, girl. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this makeup look as well as this head wrap. It really took about 10 minutes for me to do this makeup, so it's very natural. I like to call this makeup like fresh skin makeup because you can still see your skin. You still see the imperfections. Like I have a little dark spot here. You can still see that. It's very light, you know, you're not wearing a lot of products on your skin, and it just looks nice and radiant. So this is an everyday type of look. This is for those who are in a rush and have to go somewhere really quick, but you want to kind of look put together, and this is the look that I would go for. So I want to thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you tomorrow. Always remember, be spiffy and be you.
It's okay.